There's one tiny detail about Illustrator symbols that we haven't touched yet, so let's just get at it. I'm going to open the symbols panel, and I have this artwork here, which is just a speech bubble, and it's just one path. Let's drag it into the symbols panel, and inside of this we have the guides for 9-slice scaling. So what's that? Let's turn that on, and we do not see it yet. I'm going to just scale this. And you see, when you just drag that to scale it, that these rounded corners behave strangely. And also up here you see some kind of weird thing. The 9-slice scaling guides are made for just that. And in order to edit them and adjust them, I'm going to double click that symbol. And here you see the dotted lines, which are those guides. In the upper part of that speech bubble, they look kind of right. I would just move that slightly up, and now I'm going to move this up to here, and this one needs to be there and this one needs to be here. So the principle when using these guides is to protect the corner elements of the symbol when you are scaling it. So all of these elements in the corner will not be distorted when scaling. So I'm just going to double click, and now you see it looks perfect. I'm going to go into the symbol options again and turn on dynamic symbol, because then I can now go to the direct selection tool, select that symbol instance and change the stroke and fill here, and I'm going to make that stroke thicker. And now we can make a lot of copies by just alt dragging it and then just scale that in different proportions, and the corners and this sharp edge will always look perfect like intended. The 9-slice scaling option is something that you can find only in Illustrator. It's not in Inkscape nor in Affinity, but Illustrator has taken that from Animate, or at the point when Illustrator took it, it was still Flash. So thank you, Flash, for inspiring the Illustrator engineers for this functionality, because this is pretty practical.